Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the best beginner portfolio, where it's the portfolio I set up and suggest for beginning investors. And you can just stick with this forever without ever changing it if you want. Luckily, M1 Finance is not messing up the tracking on this account, which makes it nice and simple so far, until they do mess it up, because they're messing up quite a bit. Be sure to watch the announcement video I make. I have quite a few announcements, at least 3 big major announcements that I am going to be talking about in that video. Yeah. The portfolio value for this is at $105.90, and there's currently 4 cents in cash. Currently getting paid like 2 cents a month out of the BND, the bond fund. I'm up $5.90, which means the portfolio is up 5.9% overall. We've earned and been paid 4 cents of that from the bond fund. Yearly dividends, I don't think there's been any changes. I'm only updating these once a month from here on out. So this is only producing about $2.09 a year. And that is the best beginner portfolio update. Again, sorry I didn't get the updates out last week. I'm not even sure I'm going to be doing weekly updates from here on out. And I'll be talking about that in the announcement video. See you in the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.